I just took the rear seal out. I'm going to replace it with a new one. That's, even though it didn't look that bad, I figured since I was in there, I'll replace it with a new one. The original one is a little hard. This one's a little bit more soft. And then I also took the flywheel off and I cleaned it up pretty good. So I don't see any need to have it resurfaced. I think it's fine. And here is the new rear seal that I just installed. I'm always paranoid that the seal's not going to go in right or it folds in on itself and it's going to start leaking. But I figured while I was in here I had to replace it. And it is a lot tighter and snugger than the other one that has, 23 or 26 years. The brakes. So a few of my friends and I went to the Porsche Experience Center in Atlanta, Georgia, and we had a few hot laps. We didn't drive the cars because it was very, very expensive to drive the cars, but we had 2 laps that we paid for. We also did the simulator room, which of course I didn't take any pictures, but that was a cool room of, I guess, like playing a video game, but it was kind of neat. And then the museum at the center was really, really interesting. It actually had the 928 from the Risky Business movie, the hero car. So supposedly it's documented, like right here, it's saying that it was the actual car in the movie. So I found that kind of interesting. And then a bunch of other cars from like the Bad Boy movies. So they got the latest 911 as well as the old 930 Turbo from the first one, which was, I think, from the mid-90s. And then some other race cars from the museum. So it was just an interesting day out, something to do. We were able to grab a drink and just walk around the place. And there's the old Indy car that Porsche did back in the 80s. And then Porsche's latest winning Le Mans car from, I think, 2015. The 919, I believe it's called. So that was really cool.